NASA has just hit the jackpot. This is the discovery we've all been waiting for, the holy grail of space exploration, an Earth-like twin in outer space. And this time, it's not just a far-off dream. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we're on the cusp of rewriting the story of our place in the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope, the most powerful observatory ever built, has revealed groundbreaking data about Proxima Centauri B, a rocky planet orbiting the closest star to our Sun, just a mere 4.2 light-years away. Could this be another Earth? Could it host life? Maybe even an advanced civilization? It's a thrilling possibility that once seemed reserved for science fiction, but now, it feels within reach. Proxima Centauri, the closest star system to Earth, is home to a planet that orbits in the habitable zone, the sweet spot where liquid water could exist, just like on Earth. This planet, called Proxima B, is similar in size and structure to our own world. It sits in that crucial zone where conditions might allow for life to flourish. But here's the catch: Proxima B is not exactly Earth 2.0. It's a world full of mysteries, and one of the biggest puzzles just might be a strange phenomenon, bright lights that are shining from its surface, lights that defy natural explanations. What could be causing these unusually bright emissions? Could they be the result of intelligent life, an advanced civilization lighting up their world? Or is there a more natural explanation at work? These are the questions that have scientists buzzing, and the answers could transform everything we thought we knew about life in the universe. The discovery of these mysterious lights on Proxima B isn't just a curious anomaly, it could be a game changer. The James Webb Space Telescope's incredible sensitivity has allowed astronomers to spotlight signatures that no previous telescope could detect. These lights seem to come from the night side of Proxima B, an area where, logically, we'd expect to see very little light at all. But instead, what Webb is seeing are bright, concentrated sources that appear to glow with an intensity far beyond what we would expect from natural phenomena like volcanoes, auroras, or atmospheric gases. Could this be evidence of a thriving civilization? Alien cities, perhaps, glowing from the surface of an alien world. The idea is impossible to ignore. James Webb's infrared sensors are the most powerful tools ever built for studying the distant cosmos. Most space telescopes struggle to capture the faintest signals, but Webb can capture even the tiniest flickers of light in the vastness of space. It's this unparalleled precision that allowed scientists to see the strange glow coming from Proxima B. While most telescopes can't see through the cosmic haze to spot such weak emissions, Webb's infrared detectors have made it possible to examine the heat signatures of distant planets with amazing clarity. But it's not just the lights that are raising eyebrows. Proxima B's heat signature doesn't quite add up. Normally, rocky planets like ours absorb sunlight and release infrared radiation in predictable patterns. But Proxima B's heat pattern doesn't match the norm, it's a bit of a mystery. This could be a sign that the planet has a thick atmosphere capable of redistributing heat across its surface. If Proxima B has an atmosphere, it could act like a cosmic blanket, warming the night side and evening out the extreme temperature differences that would otherwise occur between the daylight side and the night side. This would open up fascinating new possibilities for its climate and the potential to support life. If Proxima B does have an atmosphere, scientists could learn a lot by studying how it behaves. By analyzing temperature shifts between the day and night sides, astronomers could start to piece together clues about what gases make up its atmosphere and how it interacts with its star. The James Webb Space Telescope is also in the perfect position to monitor the planet's day-night cycle. Proxima B has an 11-day rotation period, and Webb's orbit allows it to observe the planet's changes in real time. This is an incredible opportunity to study the planet's climate and weather patterns, and get a much clearer picture of what life there might look like. One of the most exciting aspects of this research is the search for gases that could point to life. If Proxima b has an atmosphere, there's a chance that we might find familiar gases like oxygen, methane, or water vapor, molecules that are essential for life as we know it. These gases could be biosignatures, the first direct evidence that life is thriving on another planet. The problem is, detecting oxygen, a key sign of biological activity, isn't easy. But there's hope. Webb's infrared sensors can detect other indicators, such as ozone, which would also suggest biological processes taking place on Proxima b. But while Webb's ability to study distant planets is groundbreaking, it's not without its limits. Webb can study only a small portion of the sky, and there are only a few planets within a reasonable range of Earth that we can study in detail. This is where the next generation of space observatories comes in. The extremely large telescope, set to begin operations in 2028, will add an entirely new layer to our understanding of exoplanets. With cutting-edge ground-based technology, scientists will be able to observe these far-off worlds with even greater detail. In addition, astronomers are developing new ways to block out starlight, which will allow them to focus solely on the dim light reflected from planets. This innovation will give us a much clearer picture of the atmospheres of distant exoplanets, and perhaps even reveal signs of life. But it won't be easy. Separating the faint light of a planet from the overwhelming brilliance of its star is a huge challenge. Techniques like internal masks and external starshade satellites are being developed to help scientists block out the star's light and hone in on the planet's faint reflection. Despite these exciting advancements, scientists must remain cautious. Methane, for example, is a molecule that could point to life, but it can also come from geological processes like volcanic activity. Scientists must be careful not to jump to conclusions based on preliminary data. Natural processes on a planet could mimic the chemical signs of life. Even with these challenges, the discovery of unusual phenomena on Proxima b is sparking an exciting new chapter in our search for extraterrestrial life. Whether the strange lights on the planet are a natural anomaly or signs of an alien civilization, they have already sparked a wave of excitement and new thinking in the scientific community. And this is just the beginning. What's even more thrilling is that Proxima b is far from the only planet that's caught the eye of astronomers. Over the years, scientists have discovered thousands of exoplanets orbiting distant stars, and many of them are Earth-like or show signs that they could support life. Take the TRAPPIST-1 system, for example. This star system, located just 41 light-years away, boasts 7 Earth-sized planets, and 3 of them sit in the habitable zone, where conditions could allow liquid water to exist. Or consider Kepler 452b, an Earth-sized planet orbiting a Sun-like star, which could be another strong candidate for habitability. In 2024, the James Webb Space Telescope gave us a closer look at K2-18b, a planet located 124 light-years away. Though it's more of a gas giant, Webb's observations of this planet found signs of methane and carbon dioxide, 2 chemicals that could hint at life, albeit in forms radically different from what we know. This reminds us that life may not always look like we expect it to. It might not thrive in the same conditions or follow the same patterns we are familiar with, but the possibility is there. As we continue to explore these new worlds, we're not just searching for alien life, we're looking for answers to some of humanity's biggest questions. Is Earth the only planet in the universe that can host life? Are we alone in this vast, endless cosmos, or are there other beings out there, maybe even advanced civilizations, waiting to be discovered? With each new discovery, the answers seem closer. And with the launch of new missions like NASA's Interstellar Mapping and Acceleration Probe and China's Tianwen-2 mission, space exploration is about to take another giant leap forward. These missions will help us understand our solar system, study distant exoplanets, and get closer to answering the question of whether life exists beyond Earth. The search for alien life is intensifying, and with tools like the James Webb Space Telescope, the possibility of uncovering life, or even civilizations, beyond Earth is becoming more real than ever. Stay tuned, because the future of space exploration is just beginning, and the answers we're searching for could be more